Hey friends, it's Rebecca from Stuff Moms Have Time For, and I am going to be doing a DIY Christmas wreath challenge today. So the host of this challenge is Kristi from Inspired Living with Kristi and Antoniette from Simple Yet Chic. I will link their channels below so you can go check them out when you're done watching this video. So also I'm going to be linking the playlist to everybody else's DIY Christmas wreaths for extra inspiration. So also check out the playlist in my description box below. So for this DIY, I actually only used items from Hobby Lobby and Target. I wanted to make more of a winter wreath that could be appropriate for January as well. So I kept it very neutral and rustic, but it is definitely also perfect for the holidays. So I will show you guys how I made the wreath now.
So the first thing I'm going to do is just lay everything out the way that I want it to look on my wreath. I got these little antler horns and I'm just going to stick them in the wreath so they kind of flow with the curve of the wreath. And I usually just lay everything out the way I think I want it to look before I actually glue anything down. I got this burlap flower also at Hobby Lobby and I'm just going to use it as kind of the centerpiece. Buffalo check is very big this year and I thought this little pick was really cute. I love the little rusted bell and the pine cones that came along with this one. All the Christmas decor at Hobby Lobby was 50% off, so I did get all of these pretty cheap. And then I'm going to use pine cones. I got these pine cones from my backyard and I just put them in the oven on low heat so all the sap could come out. So these little picks were from Target. There were 3 for $1, so I had 2 packs. So I'm just going to stick these in the wreath at various angles to try to make it look more full. And then I'm going to just put the pine cones from my backyard into the wreath to fill it out even more. And I'm pretty happy with it at this point. I don't really like things that are too busy, so I'm happy with the way that this came out. And now I'm just going to go in and glue everything down and make sure it's attached. So I'm just going to go in with my hot glue gun and I'm just going to attach all of the pieces to make them secure to the wreath. And that is the finished product. I feel like this wreath is very holiday inspired, but I also love that I can keep it up all winter, and I probably will leave it up until around January just because I feel like it goes into the winter months as well. Please be sure to check out everybody else's wreath. I will link the playlist in my description box below. Until next time, I will see you guys then.